Hello, this is Joe Clemens, and today I'll be discussing a new approach to trade stocks for our new portfolio. The proposal is called the hybrid analysis approach because it combines a few methods for the selection process of our stocks. Seeing as how we have a timeline of 4 months to trade using this portfolio, I recommend that we choose high volatility stocks with a greater return. From the list that we have composed, we will have to narrow it down into a certain number of these companies that we wish to invest in. This part's quite straightforward, but where my approach becomes unique is we do not choose the stocks ourselves, but rather with controlled randomization. I say controlled because although we'll be taking the human bias element out of the equation with regards to narrowing down which stocks will be paired up with risk-free assets of our portfolio, the list is made up of volatility index that we will not exceed nor go below a certain standard deviation away from where we will want our reversion to be. We develop a Sharpe ratio for what we want to see from our portfolio, and then use a random number generator to generate each stock that we will use. Each stock will be weighted differently as well. All of these will be separate calculations based on how much capital we choose to invest in the portfolio, and we will determine that number before anything else. The why? Well, 3 reasons: time frame, uniqueness, and the availability. Right? Our time frame, we have such a short window, and we need to maximize profit and have less than a year to do so. So we can't really choose stocks that, progressively increase in value over time because the return won't be as high as that we want it to be. The uniqueness, it's a high risk, high reward with minimal human bias, yet there's still in-depth financial analysis. There's a bit of a thrill with that. In addition to the availability or opportunity, we're tasked with a high amount of capital and have freedom to do what we want with it. Individual risk is lowered, yet return could be high. So, in total, I've chosen the hybrid analysis approach. It's a combination of a bunch of different things, but it's got its own unique twist on it because you never really know what company you'll be investing in, and you don't know the weight necessarily. Thanks.